Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable live text option. So what this option does is when you select image, you can also select the text in it, so it is very useful. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the settings app. Here in the settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you see the general option and simply tap on it. Once you are in the general section, here you need to scroll down and tap on language and region. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down all the way and here you can see the live text. Simply turn it on and now you should be able to copy text or images from gallery. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.